The clock is ticking and the holidays are almost here. So it is time to get those last-minute gifts for that loved one. Now, fortunately, you can just stop by your local microcenter and pick up an awesome tech gift for under $50 or under $100. We have over 25,000 products for you to choose from. So why don't we take a look around and let's find some last-minute gift options. Now, peripherals are one of my favorite gift ideas. They are the best way for you to interact with your PC, with your keyboard, your mouse, and your headset. So that means you really want something high quality. Now, fortunately, we have tons of options to choose from. If you don't really know what to look for, definitely talk to one of our associates and they can help guide you on making an awesome keyboard purchase. For instance, we have tons of mechanical keyboard options with every switch variety that you can imagine. So if you want clicky switches, if you want linear switches, if you want specialized keycaps or keycaps with a certain look, or if you want to get a keyboard kit with your favorite anime, we have that as well. But you can't ignore our mouse selection either. We have tons of mice to choose from all of the major brands. We have Razer, Logitech, we have MSI, Asus, and everyone else. That means that you can find the right keyboard mouse combination that really suits your needs, especially if you have a gamer in your life and you really want to surprise them with an awesome setup for their desk. You can come pick one and it's a great stocking stuffer. Now, one gift idea that I also really like is giving a project. I think that's a really, really good gift that has a little bit of thought put into it. So something like a bare bones kit, like this GMMK Compact, where they can pick their switches and they can pick their keycaps and assemble it themselves as a project, makes a really great gift. You can get this bare bones for $54.99, and then you just add on the switches and the keycaps, and you got everything you need. I have a lot of friends that still play WoW, or WoW Classic, or WoW Classic now. And we have this Razer Tartarus V2, and a lot of people use these for MMOs, which I think is actually a really, really interesting device because it's very ergonomic and you can program all of the keys here. And we have this available for $69.99. So that's a really good deal for that gamer in your life. Desk mats are also another awesome last-minute gift idea, and we have so many to choose from. It's a really nice way to bring some cohesion to your desk and really complete the look. It's going to make it look really, really nice, and we have every single type that you can choose from. If you want an RGB strip on it, or if you want it from your favorite game, we have some from World of Warcraft over there. We have some anime-themed ones over here. So it's a really good way to give a really nice look to your desk. And if your loved one is a gamer, a headset makes a really great last-minute gift, and Micro Center has tons of headsets to choose from. Frankly, gamers always play with headsets. I don't know anyone who plays with speakers anymore. You always want a good pair of headphones and a really high quality mic for a lot of those multiplayer games. So we have a wide variety to choose from every brand that you can imagine, whether it's HyperX, Corsair, we have Logitech, SteelSeries, and you want to make sure you find the right headset. So make sure you talk to an associate about what games that your loved one plays, and they can help you find the right one at the right price. And another area that I really want to call out is our toy section. We actually have a massive collection of toys, board games, STEM toys for science and learning, as well as Lego and everything else that you can imagine. So whether you have a 3-year-old, an 8-year-old, a 15-year-old, we have tons of toy and board game options that would really, really be loved for this holiday. Now, another area that has a wide selection of great last-minute gift ideas is our creator aisle. We have tons of creator products that are not just for creators, but for a lot of other different use cases. For instance, we have a large selection of USB microphones. Now, these are ideal for a streamer or someone who wants a high-quality mic for gaming, but it's also really good for Zoom calls as well. If you have a loved one that works from home permanently and they really want to step up their Zoom quality, well, first of all, get a better microphone with a USB microphone, but also get a better camera. And we have tons of webcams to choose from, many of which have 4K quality, and like this Insta360 webcam, which has 4K and an AI camera that can follow you around. It's on a little gimbal, so you can actually face track it, kind of like what I'm doing right now with this Osmo Pocket 3, and it'll follow you around the room. So if you're someone who does a lot of calls all the time, it's a really good option to have, especially if you're a little bit antsy like I am. And the cool thing is we have tons of USB microphones that are priced under $50. USB microphones are a really good entry point to step up your audio game. And then if you want to step up Even further, you can get something with an XLR input. So we have some of our Audio-Technica and Shure options, and we also have all of the audio interfaces you need as well. But in terms of being a last-minute gift idea, I think a USB microphone and a better webcam are a great start. And if you have someone in your life who's a streamer, we have plenty of Elgato products like the Stream Deck. We have the XL, we have the Mini, and every variety in between. And these are really good peripheral devices that they can use for streaming. They can program them for OBS or even for some of their program shortcuts. So they're really flexible products that are just fantastic. And we have a wide range of other content creator items. So if you have a loved one who is really into vlogging, you can get them some extra SD cards, some extra batteries, all of the peripherals that they need to really support their content creation. We have that available as well. Now, a really great gift idea for someone who's very tech savvy is one of these iFixit screwdriver sets. I use these when I build my PCs in the studio, and these are fantastic. You can get the Pro Tech Toolkit for $79.99. We also have the Precision Screwdriver set, and that usually starts at about 20 bucks for the small version there. And we have everything in between. We also have the wrist strap. So if you have someone who's a really big gearhead and likes to do a lot of repairs or fixes or tinkering, they're going to be really ecstatic to open up one of these on Christmas Day. Now, the most obvious gift for that maker in your life, someone who 3D prints a lot, is going to be filament. And Microcenter has tons of filament options. And the best part is each spool of filament is anywhere from $15 to $20 to $25 depending on the material type and depending on the color. So we have a wide range of filament here for you to check out, and they make a really great stocking stuffer. Now, another great gift idea for that tech tinkerer in your life is a Raspberry Pi. And these are extremely affordable microcomputers that could be used for a wide range of projects. You can use this for emulating old games. You can use this with a built-in operating system and use it as an actual computer with a web browser. You can also use it for just any project that you can think of. This is a great gift option, and you can talk to one of our expert associates who can walk you through the Raspberry Pi ecosystem. And we have over 100 different monitors in stock at any given time from all different brands. So that means if you have a loved one who is really into gaming, we can get them a great high refresh rate monitor. If you have a loved one who's just into productivity and just needs a simple extra monitor, we have tons of 1080p monitors for under $100, and those are fantastic deals. And if you want an ultra wide, if you want a 4K, if you want a nice IPS panel for color accurate work for that videographer in your life, we have those as well. So make sure you stop by and take a look at our monitor wall, because it's just impressive how many monitors that we carry. Now, we also have a wide selection of backpacks available, so you can fit laptops up to 17 or 18 inches, which are pretty big and kind of hard to carry around without the right backpack, and we have plenty to choose from. And we have tons of laptop accessories as well. So if you want a laptop stand, a laptop cooler, if you want just a traveling cover for your laptop, as well as battery replacements. That's another great last minute gift idea if you know someone has a laptop with a replaceable battery that is maybe losing some of that life expectancy. Time for an upgrade. We also have a wide selection of docking stations and laptop stands, which are great for freeing up real estate on your desk. So if you have someone who works from home, there's a good way for them to put their laptop raised so they can either have it upright to see the monitor better, or if they want to raise it to get some better airflow into the cooler of the laptop. We have a large variety and docking stations as well, which gives you expanded I/O for your laptop, which is great to have. And remember that Microcenter also sells televisions, and televisions are always a great upgrade to get around the holidays. But you also want to get a really good wall mount. And the nice thing is, we have plenty to choose from. All different kinds of options, so it doesn't matter how big your television is, doesn't matter if you want to mount it onto a corner or just onto a flat surface. We have all of the different mounting hardware that you need to mount that awesome OLED TV that you just got for Christmas. So as I said before, Microcenter has over 25,000 products in stock at any given time. So that means I could spend all day walking you through the store to try to find that ideal last-minute tech gift. But frankly, the best way to find it is by coming into your local Microcenter and seeing for yourself. I guarantee you spend 10 minutes walking around our store, you are gonna find that ideal last-minute gift that's gonna be a home run on Christmas Day. So stop by your local Microcenter, and if you don't have a Microcenter near you, comment hashtag I want a Microcenter near me.